Hello everyone and welcome back for another Playmobil toy review. Today we're reviewing the Playmobil Space set number 70307, the Mars Mission Playbox. Included here is an astronaut and robot Klicky and a futuristic outer space vehicle setting that is stored inside a folding carrying case. It may be small, but it looks like it packs quite a lot of fun. The front of the package shows the actual toy, as per the norm. The left side has a continuation of that front image and a smaller version of the package's contents. The right side is where you go to open the box with ease. The bottom is where you find the standard choking hazard and barcode, while the top shows another image of the toy, showcasing its open and close feature for storage and transport. Finally, we have the back of the box displaying the individual pieces and more images of the toy box itself. I'm actually pretty excited for this one. My favorite Playmobil toys as a kid were the space-themed ones. I still have the original ships and the little robot, and I really like how Playmobil has updated the line with these modern and sleek spacesuits. Now, let's get this party started and check out what's inside. Well everyone, here she is, fully assembled. It was going to be, I thought, a 5-minute assembly, but it turned out being 20 minutes because I kept messing up on my narration. And the clamps here that hold these doors together were extremely difficult to install. So I got undoubtedly frustrated and kept going at it until I got the doors in. And so that's where we're at. So I decided not to post any of the actual assembly of the toy. So here you have it fully assembled. Let's take a look at our clickies. I love the blue astronaut suit. This is too cool. I do like it a lot. And then his little companion here is a cool looking robot with one eye, but he's probably brilliant and can see a heck of a lot more than we can still. I think he's probably my favorite robot out of all of Playmobil robots they have, and it's not many, but they got them. So pretty basic setup we have here. All your tools fit here, computer up here, and you can of course move its position. Same with the shelf, same with the tool area here. The satellite is movable. You can spin it, rotate it, pivot. A lot of fun. I do like the background. I think that's pretty cool. Definitely, I like the realism of it, even though it's still Playmobil-ish. It's not too real. And I really think this little biohazard specimen case with these little crystal rocks is a lot of fun too. Can I get that in focus? Yes, I can. So yeah, I think that's a really cool feature. Now as for the tools here, let me show you those. We have this little clamp and this pedal, and the pedal is exactly the kind you'd find on one of the Ghostbusters toys. And then they use this thing to pick up the rocks. We have a data pad, which I actually received 2 of them. But of course we only have a sticker for 1. But I thought that was kind of cool. It's like a little computer pad you can carry around. Then we have what I thought was a camera. I totally thought this was a video camera, and it made sense to me that it would be a video camera, but in fact it could be a cutting tool for your astronauts to hold, or whomever, to hold and aim towards rocks to cut them open. Like these would be the little laser beams coming out of there to cut the rocks to find those crystals. That's what I think it is. And then one thing that had me a little confused is this square piece right here. Let's see if I can get that in there. Yeah, see this? To me, I'm guessing this is supposed to hold something, but I have no idea what. Maybe the backpack. I don't know. Then we have these little red pieces here where the instructions tell you to put them on either side of the door on the bottom, like so. Now, I'm guessing because they're red, they're supposed to act as lights, right? But they actually have a functional feature, and that's to act as door stops. So when it's time to clean up, guess what? You can't exactly close this up right away. You have to remove these. Best way to remove it is just to get a grip of it and then twist it, and they should fall right off. If you're lucky, right into your hand. Well, that's it for the parts and pieces. Now when it's time to clean up, we can fold up our box. You'll have to possibly push down or fold up a couple pieces here and there, including the satellite actually, and we'll put our figures in there, and then you just close up the box and carry it and take it wherever you need to go. Simple as that. Well, that's it for this review of the Playmobil Space Set number 70307, the Mars Mission Playbox. Please subscribe to see more Playmobil content, follow us on Instagram, and give us a like. More videos on the way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time right here on Playmo YT.